Oregano, sage, satan, finest of all, marjoram. This dries really well, makes an excellent herb for salad dressing. Voila.
Farmers market is important to the community, not just because as a food source, but as a meeting point for the community members to see each other and build relationships. So that's half of it. You know, half of it does come around the food, but it's nice to get to know each other.
So why is it important for you to buy organic and local?
Organic and local because it's eating local is the way we should be eating. I mean, there's no reason for us to go 500 miles. We don't need anything from Iowa or anything from farther than what we can do here.
Why do you like to buy organic?
We buy organic at Julienne because it tastes better. We definitely have access to some of the nicest produce around. I don't know how I'd run my restaurant without all these farms, that's for sure. This is where the magic starts.
We're serving our local customers our local product. And so since we can, and since it's an amazing product, we're happy to do it.